Hey, what's up, everybody? This is I Tried It at Home. We come to you right now with a certified, how to mail certified mail. So a lot of you guys is doing credit repair right now who followed all the YouTube directions. It's very important. Follow all the YouTube directions. They tell you get to the point, well, you want to send it certified mail so you can get a return receipt and let you know when your 30 days start. All right, so you did all that. You get to the post office, and it's the longest line possible. All right, then you get to the top of the line. You wait like 10, 15 minutes, get to the top of the line. You got your certified mail, but you have no idea how to fill it out, how to get it on the right way, and how to save time. So right here at I Tried It at Home, we're going to show you just that. All right, first thing first, this is the U.S. Postal Service certified mail receipt. At the bottom of it is the sticky part you can pull off and actually place later on. There's another serrated part that you can pull off and place. This 16 digit, actually it's 20. This 20 digit is your tracking number where you can get online USPS and track if they received the package, when they received it. Very important to keep a hold of. This, my friends, is a return receipt address. As you can see, it's labeled how you can fill it out. Sender, complete this section for on delivery. Put your address to the company that you're sending it to. One of these little sticky things go right here. And on the back of it is the return receipt address. All right, so hold on real quick and let's fill it out. Okay, I'm back and we're filling it out. As you can see, the address, article address to Equifax Informational Services. I kind of cut off at the end. This is the P.O. box and the city was in Georgia. Nothing else is done on that form. Then we come down here to the receipt. As you can see, sent to Equifax, P.O. Box, Atlanta. These two match. On the back, I put my address where I want to return to. I'm not going to show you that because I stupidly put all my information on there. Next, we're going to take this little rip, these 20 digits right here, pull that off, place that right there on the number 2 article number. Then I'm going to show you how to stamp it on there and stamp and put it on the envelope. Okay, I'm back. I'll put my envelope together. All these items are ready. Now, first off, I'm going to take the certified mail, and if you read up top, place the sticker at the top of the envelope to the right of the return address, fold at the dotted line. So technically, I will be doing this right there, folding it at the dotted line, and I have one hand, so I can't do it now. This part is left on until you get to the post office, or you can pull it off now and be real G with it and walk up and just like, hey, scan this, give me my receipt, give me my bill for $5.70, I believe, and be going about your business. But until you get to that beast mode, leave this attached so you can keep a track of when you sent it, who you sent it to, the tracking number. Always hold these receipts. Even when you get this back, put them in the bag, keep them both together. Because, hey, they got 30 days, and after 30 days, if they don't come right, they got to come correct. All right, so next. Once we got that on, we're going to turn this over backside like this. And we're going to take Equifax Information System. You see my name is on the back, address. We're going to place that right there, just like that. So when they deliver it, they're going to go to Equifax and say, here, buddy, somebody got to sign for this. They're going to sign. They're going to print their name. They're going to check yes that it was delivered. They're going to pull this off. In like 2 to 3 days, you're going to get this back. You're already going to have this little receipt, and then you're just waiting. You're waiting for Equifax to act right and pull that mess off your credit. Now, listen, this is I Tried It at Home. I'm not a credit repair guy. I just tried a lot of stuff. And a couple of guys that I tried for credit repair, 3 guys, one of them was really, really good. I drop his link in the tag. I have no problem shouting out people. The other 2 wasn't quite that good. But hey, this is I Tried It at Home. Have a nice day. Until next time, peace.